Hi YouTube, we're going to start putting the finish on these Colt Python grips, and what we're going to use is we have Minwax polyurethane gloss, and what I've done is I thinned it down a little bit with some mineral spirits, and I've pre-mixed this. I did about a 60-40 mix, and I put it in a little jar here. So what we're going to do is shake it up a little bit, mix it all around, and I'm going to take just a touch. It's not going to take much. Put it in the cap. It's about all we're going to use right now. And I'm going to put just a very thin first coat on these grips. And we're just going to start painting it. Very thin. We're not going to get it on the medallions or anything. And we're not going to worry too much about any runs or anything because this stuff's so thin down, it's not going to really make a difference. So we're just going to put one little thin coat on. We're going to let it sit here and dry for about 3 hours. But this is going to bring all the beautiful grain back into these grips that we've prepped. Don't worry about it soaking up or anything. It's going to do that. This is only the first of many coats that we're going to be putting on these. This is so easy that I think a Gucci Glocker could do it. So you're going to go inside the checkering. You're just going to go both ways because checkering goes both ways. Like I said, these are going to turn out awesome. I can already tell. And if you miss a spot, it's not a big deal because you're going to be doing this several times. It's probably going to take several days to do this because of the amount of coats we're going to put on. But this is going to look fantastic. This is just our initial coat. And as you can see, we have color back in these. So I'm going to sit here and try and move it forward for you so you can see. That's going to give you an idea of what color the finish is going to be on these grips. But I just wanted to show you the start of what these are going to look like when they are done. I'll update you as soon as I do another coat. But anyway, if you got any questions on all the stuff I used or anything, feel free to ask. I'll answer anything I can. And thank you for watching and have a great day.